Our team coverage continuing now as we give you a clearer picture of what we can expect to be next for George Zimmerman in the court system. For In Your Corner's Andre Sr. speaking with the local criminal defense attorney not connected to this case, but he predicts the case will drag on for years.
One of the first things we could see happen is for George Zimmerman's attorney to try and get him out of jail. But a criminal defense attorney I spoke with today told me that may not be that easy.
Typically, second and first degree murder charges carry no bond.
But for now, George Zimmerman will sit behind bars. According to Justin Calderon, a Naples-area criminal defense attorney with the Calderon Law Group, Zimmerman's attorney, Mark O'Hara, will try to get him out.
Typically, there's a procedure that you can go through.
The former prosecutor for Miami-Dade County says O'Hara will likely ask for a bond hearing, but the judge will be in a tough spot to give it the okay.
And sort of the politically charged nature of the case, the judge is going to be in a difficult, going to have to make a difficult decision whether to grant, Mr. Zimmerman a bond or not.
Calderon also says it would be easier for O'Hara to mount a defense with his client out of jail.
I think it's always good, if possible, to get your client out of jail. Obviously it's better for them to be home with their family, and it's better in terms of preparing the case for trial.
Eventually, though, Zimmerman's attorney will likely ask the state for all the documents it used to charge Zimmerman.
The state attorney's office is going to provide Mr. Zimmerman's attorney with discovery, police reports, written statements, any kind of recorded statements.
At that time, the public will get a chance to see the evidence, and after that, Zimmerman's attorney will start preparing to ask the judge for a mistrial.
I think there's no doubt that Mr. Zimmerman's lawyer is going to file, a motion to dismiss based on the standing ground law.
And if the judge does not dismiss the case, there are two more options.
And then you sort of march towards either plea or trial.
But the case could be slowing down a bit. A high-profile case like this one could take years. But it's a good bet that the frenzy surrounding it will not be dying down anytime soon. In Naples, Andre Sr., Fox 4, In Your Corner.